In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record electronic drums with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect and record your electronic drums using a USB connection. For this video, I'm going to assume that you have some software running on a PC or laptop and you want to connect your electronic drum kit over a USB connection. So, most electronic drum kits will feature a USB connection at the back. For this video, I chose to use the Alesis Nitro Max as an example. This electronic drum kit uses a USB-B to USB-A connection, so you plug the USB-B end into the electronic drum kit's module and then the other end into your computer. But a lot of different models will either have USB-A to USB-A or even MIDI connections. If you want to use MIDI, that's okay. You just plug one end of the MIDI cable into the module, and then the other end goes into your PC. You might have to use a MIDI to USB adapter, and by doing this, it is going to be recognized as a standard USB device over MIDI. But, like I said, if your electronic drums feature a USB connection directly, then I recommend using that instead. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the module and another one into your PC or laptop, running the software where you will be recording your electronic drums. It is simple to set up. You just have to make sure that this physical connection was established and that the electronic drums were recognized. If you are running Windows 10 or Windows 11, most electronic drums will have their drivers downloaded automatically and they will be recognized as audio devices. But if they don't, you will be able to manually download those drivers. Now you can go into any sort of software that you use. For this example, I'm showing off FL Studio, and then when you go to the preferences on most of these software, you will be able to find MIDI input/output devices. Your electronic drums should be listed here, and you will be able to configure them however you prefer. You can start recording, and they should be available as input and output devices listed here to showcase that they are working. I hope I was able to help you on how to record electronic drums on FL Studio or with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.